Hello, today is June 22nd, Thursday, NQ price action. So on the 4000 tick chart, I was looking at this trend line here, and the price bounced one time before, and the price action moved along, and now they are trying the second one. And we also have this 50 moving average line here, and now we are testing the 21 moving average line. So I'm looking at what the price is going to do on this trend line and the moving average line. So are we going to get a nice signal bar here, or are we going to get a bounce off from here? The other thing that I am seeing here is we couldn't make the previous level. So basically we didn't do a higher high. If the price went up and did a higher high, breaking this level here, then return for a retest, then it could be a possible trap areas here before the price goes back up. So this can be a trap area here, or this can be something like here as well. But since we didn't do a higher high, then I am now more looking to a breakthrough on this trend line and the moving average lines with a signal bar. Then can be a possible move for down. So before this rejection here, we had a nice push from the bulls, but they got really rejected here on the 50 SMA on the 800 chart. If this was a strong move, I was expecting this move to go faster and then do a pullback and then continue up like that. But we didn't see that. Instead, we saw a rejection right over here. So because of that, after seeing the bar crossing this level here and the close under the moving average here, and we had another red bar here printed, then I decided to enter that trade. This can be an early trade as well. It could have been wait, maybe breaking this level too, then enter it. But the price, after I see this rejection here, I wanted to enter this trade early. Okay, so we have printed another red bar here. Okay, now we are break even and the price is going down. Okay, now a retest on that level here. On the 4000 chart, we still have this 50 moving average in front of us. So I'm watching that carefully there.
Stop fill. Stop fill.
Okay, so that stopped me out, break even. Okay, now I see that they are testing to the moving average on the 800, and I want to see this bar close, and it closed with a wick from top, but still a green bar here. Now they did the test on the 25 moving average here. Now if this move wants to go, then it needs to go from here, because we went down, we did a trap here, and then we should be going up more if this is a bull move here. But if this is a trap, then we can see this price go back under with a printed red bar here. Now the price is right on that 50 SMA on the 4000, and that bar is still not printed. Finish. Okay, now that bar is like almost closed, and it closed like red with a wick on the top on the both of them. So I decided to enter a second time on this move here, because this can be a rejection here again from the moving average, and now we are below that level here. And again, we have under that trend line on the 4000, under that 21 moving average, and we have a nice red bar here on the 4000 chart that crossed the 21 moving average, and we have a lower high, because after this strong move here on the 4000 chart and a nice pullback, the price right around here it's stalled. If this was a very strong bull move, then I should expect more, or at least a retest on this high here, but the bulls failed on that here. Okay, now still we are testing that level right under that 25 moving average here. Okay, we are not too far away from moving average. My entry is, so I am more comfortable. And if I see the price goes above the moving average, then I will be out. I have an 11-point stop here. Okay, now it is testing 25 moving average again. So if this price close above here or exit me out, then I will be out. Okay, so 4,000 printed a doji looking bar here. It is a red bar, but the market looks more heavy and look like more for a downside move than for an up move, because I see these wicks here and I see a red bar here and another doji there on the 4,000 chart. We are under the trend line here, we are under the moving average here on the 4,000. We have a lower high here previously. Okay, now the price start to move a bit underneath our entry area here, and that red bar closed nicely as a full bar after a rejection from 50 SMA. Doing another retest. Okay, we got another red bar printed, and 4,000 had another red bar printed. Okay, now we are inside the range zone here. Usually when it goes inside the range zone, it retests on the other side of the range as well. So I have my target there getting close.
Target filled.
Okay, first target reached. That's almost bottom of that range here. And I decided to move up my second target after that
Target
push
filled.
here, where on this 4,000 chart, this level here, and on the bottom of this channel as well. Okay, after this pullback here, the price still looked a lot weak, and after breaking this level here with that red bar here, now I'm thinking to enter another position here, maybe till to the Vwap line here. Almost reaching my first target. Right above that Vwap. Okay, first target is reached. I made break even. Okay, now testing that Vwap line here. I move my stop right above that Vwap here. Oh, that was so close.
Stop filled.
And it stopped me out there. And now it is testing this level here, and on the 4,000 chart here we have a one previous bounce from here, and we did a pullback before, so also we have this level here before, and also we have this trend line here or a channel here on the 4,000 chart. So I'm looking at what the price is going to do at this level here. Also we are in this red zone here. So after a retest to the Vwap line, and I saw this hammer looking bar printed, and now I'm waiting this bar here how it's going to print, and we have that 25 moving average right above that Vwap line as well. So after seeing this red bar here, then I wanted to enter it again.
Order filled.
From a Vwap and the moving average test or pullback, and if the price goes above and close the moving average and the Vwap line, then I will be fine. I already accept that by entering this trade. Okay, now it is under this level here again on the 4,000 chart, and price trying to break this level here. We have couple tests and bounces on this level, and we have this channel line. And now the trade is break even. Oh, he almost touched me, so I moved up a bit. I want to take my first target from
filled.
here. Okay, first target is reached, and I want to let this do a pullback, but it's a too much pullback.
Stop filled.
Yeah, stop me out there. On the 4000 chart, it also printed a hammer looking bar, and the price pulled back after this point here. So one thing I want to point out here is when you do a trend line, don't be too strict with that trend line. Think about different people can do a different trend lines in different locations. So this can be go like this, it can be go right next to it, or it can be go a little bit more higher. So when you look at it, look at this zone here instead of making it or thinking like a straight line. And when you see a price action go through that, you want to see this zone pass through, and after that you think that that trend line is broken. If you think it this way, then you will be more flexible and give a little bit more time price action to pass through. And that was the end of that day. I hope this helps, and I will see you on the next video.